Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here. What it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a really awesome unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I ordered something. I ordered this like a week ago or whatever before my baby went into the hospital. It finally came. I have been waiting to unbox this with you guys. But before I unbox it, I just want to say thank you guys so very much for all your thoughts, your prayers, your well wishes. For me and my family, my baby, while we were going through this. My baby is on the up and up, thank God. She had a really good night last night, which means mommy had a good night, had a good night's sleep. So, yeah, she's had a good day today, so we're doing good. So I want to thank you guys so very much for that, okay? Now, you guys, I ordered this. I have been looking at this bag for quite some time. Quite like a couple of years. But when I was scrolling in the middle of the night, I saw this color and I was like, she gotta get it. She has to. So, you guys, I'm so excited. So, that's where it came from. You guys will never guess what this is. You're not gonna see this coming, okay? I'm so excited. You guys can see the name of the bag. We're going to open this together, baby. Oh, I have been holding on to this bag for like 3 or 4 days, waiting for the chance that I could do this. I hope this bag is perfect. Balenciaga. I can already feel like it's not wrapped right. Y'all. Something's not right. Maybe it's just the way that it's wrapped. But this is, you guys, look. Look, you guys, look. Somebody returned this. Because somebody returned this. And they sent it to me the same way somebody sent it back to them. Oh, can I turn this down? Because this was just stuck up. So I hope I can. You guys, this is the Neo Girl. Let's read it. What this say? Neo Class City Mini in the color Jade. Y'all, look at this color. Is this not sickening? Yo, I really hope I can. Yo, look at this. Oh. Hold on, y'all. So we can look at this together. Oh my goodness. So you can see the whole bag. There you go. This is the other side. Hopefully I can get this to stay down. This is the back. This is the other side. So as we see, this has silver hardware. And here's the bottom. I have been wanting a City Mini for quite some time. Here are the handles. And I was scrolling and I saw this color and I was just like, yes, yes. So we have to look at this really well because y'all know I got burned by Coach. I mean, you know, with my Coach bag. So it's a little care booklet. So here it is on the inside. So it has this pocket right here. And then there's nothing on the other side. It's just like this. Oh, so it's two pockets. So it's a, is this a pocket? No, it's just like a little slat right there. So it is just one like card slot. What do y'all think? What do we think? Like, I really have to go over this bag because this costs way too much. Way too much for it to not be perfection. You know what I'm saying? This bag was $1,900, I want to say. Girl, yeah, it's like $2,000 for this. Yeah. What do we think, y'all? Is this a keeper? Excuse me, y'all, my nail broke. I'll get it fixed this week. So this little pocket right here, it is functional, but you can't get anything in here. Maybe some change. Like, I wouldn't even really stick a quarter or anything. Maybe like a chapstick or something. But I really wish I could have been the one to unwrap this. So the straps on here are detachable and adjustable, but from the looks of this strap, sis, I don't think I'd be able to. It don't look like it'll be long enough for the kid. Let me just show y'all. So here's the strap. It does come like this. And this strap is already on the, it's on the third hole on this side. And on this side. Let me see. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. The color is sickening. I don't, what do we think, y'all? Like, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money to not just be like, I wanted one of these bags for so long. And, you know, before I spend this kind of money, I always think about it. Like, really think about it. Because, you know, we can buy a Coach and all that all day long, every day. But when it comes to spending $2,000, we need to pause and think about it. So what do we think? The straps, they are detachable because here's a D-ring, right? I mean, not detachable. They are opposite each other. Because here's a D-ring right here and one right here. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. The color is sickening. Would I be more in love if this was in black? What do y'all think? Like the little buckles right here. Are they functioning? Yeah. That moves. What do we think? Y'all, what do... Is this giving return? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I think it's giving return. I'm just not wowed. I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love it. But it's something about it. I can't put my finger on it. It's just, But it's sickening though. It's sickening. Maybe if I get a black one. I don't know. Y'all, this is really how I be going through stuff in my head. Like, y'all help me. I wish this is like live so you guys could really like help me. Like, is this giving return? Because she will return it and won't think anything of it. I think that's what it's giving. Return. I'm just not wild. Yeah. I don't know what it is, you guys. But anyway, you guys, that concludes this unboxing of this really, really cute Balenciaga City Mini bag. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. It's cute.